Understanding earthquakes, causes, zones, and preparedness. Imagine the Earth's surface as a giant puzzle made of massive pieces called tectonic plates. These plates, about 100 kilometers thick, are constantly moving and interacting with each other. They float on a hot, slowly moving layer called the mantle, which makes up 85% of Earth's volume. The plates move very slowly, only a few centimeters per year. When these plates collide or slide past each other, they create stress that builds up over time. When this stress becomes too much, the rocks suddenly break along weak zones called faults, releasing energy in the form of seismic waves. That's an earthquake. Most major earthquakes occur along plate boundaries, creating what we call earthquake belts. The two most significant ones are the Pacific Ring of Fire, a horseshoe-shaped belt around the Pacific Ocean, the Alpine Himalayan Belt, stretching from Indonesia through the Himalayas to the Mediterranean. Did you know? About 90% of all earthquakes occur along these belts. Earthquakes are measured using the magnitude scale, M. 5.5 can cause minor damage. M6.9 can cause serious damage in populated areas. M7+, major earthquake with potential for widespread damage. M8.0+, great earthquake with catastrophic potential. Modern examples: 2004 Indian Ocean earthquake, M9.1. 2011 Christchurch earthquake, New Zealand, M6.3. 2010 Haiti earthquake, M7.0. While scientists can identify areas at risk of earthquakes, precise prediction remains challenging. They monitor ground movement, small changes in the Earth's surface, patterns of small earthquakes, historical earthquake records. However, there's no reliable way to predict exactly when an earthquake will occur. That's why it's crucial to build earthquake-resistant structures, have emergency plans, educate people about safety procedures, drop cover and hold on, stay away from windows, have an emergency kit ready, know your building's safe spots, learn your area's earthquake risk. Remember, understanding earthquakes helps us prepare better and potentially save lives during these natural events. While we can't prevent them, we can definitely be ready for them. That's all for today's disasters adventure. Please tell me in the comments what other disaster contents you'd like me to break down next. Stay informed, stay prepared, and keep wondering about our amazing planet.